How to update your Freshservice agent portal to match your branding.
In your Freshservice instance, go to the admin panel by clicking on the gear on the left-hand side. Under Account Settings, select Help Desk Rebranding. Scroll down and click on Customize Branding under Agent Portal Branding. To change the color of your agent portal to match your brand, click Menu Colors and enter the hex number of your brand color. To change the logo to match your brand, click Change Logo. Find your logo saved locally on your computer and upload it. That's it, click Save, and your portal is rebranded.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest features and tutorials. If you or your organization need help with Freshservice, check out our consulting, implementation, training and support services at our website. Zest.co.uk. Zest, a fresh perspective.